Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate source for pro audio gear teardowns, live sound engineering, and event production setups. Today, we are putting an absolute legend of portable live sound under the spotlight, a complete 600-watt Suitcase-Style live audio deployment engineered specifically for touring musicians, live bands, event hosts, houses of worship, DJs, and outdoor venues who demand massive sound coverage, flexible multi-channel routing, and effortless single-trip transport. The Fender Passport Venue Series 2 Portable PA System. Fender completely revolutionized portable live audio with the Passport series, and the Series 2 update takes usability and performance to an entirely new level. Visually, its genius resides in its interlocking suitcase design. Weighing just 44 pounds, the entire system, including both 10-inch speaker cabinets and the central 10-channel mixer console, latches securely into a single compact unit featuring a heavy-duty top-carrying handle. You can walk into any wedding hall, outdoor park, or coffee shop gig with a full 600-watt sound reinforcement rig in one hand while carrying your guitar in the other. When you unlatch the side clips, the system expands into a serious stereo sound rig. The Passport Venue Series 2 houses dual detachable speaker cabinets, each packed with a punchy 10-inch woofer and a 1.2-inch horn-loaded tweeter. Driven by a powerful 600-watt Class D digital amplifier, this system delivers crystal-clear vocal projection, tight low-end impact, and room-filling output capable of covering crowds of several hundred people. The heart of the system is its ultra-intuitive 10-channel powered mixer. You get 4 XLR and quarter-inch combo mic preamps equipped with global phantom power for condenser microphones, along with dedicated instrument-level high-Z switches for plugging acoustic or electric guitars directly into the console without needing outboard direct boxes. Each channel features individual volume, 2-band treble and bass EQ, and digital reverb controls to dial in smooth spatial warmth. For wireless music playback during set breaks or backing tracks, built-in Bluetooth streaming connects seamlessly to your phone or tablet. Plus, if you need extra sub-bass for a DJ set or outdoor show, plugging an active subwoofer into the dedicated sub-output automatically engages an internal high-pass filter, freeing up power so the main 10-inch woofers can focus entirely on delivering sparkling mids and highs. If you enjoyed this comprehensive live sound breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you using the Fender Passport for your next live gig or outdoor event?